Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the problems we face when we ask others to work for us. We have to request them again and again, and some people even take pleasure in it. We get dependent on others. From a small task to a big goal, if we want something done on right time and in right way, we must do it ourselves. And we must work hard on it till the end. Let me acknowledge you with a story related to this. This story is based on a true incident. This story is about a student who gave a message to the society that no matter what the situation is, if we have the courage to overcome it, then no problem is too big. And also with hard work, even the hardest destination can be reached. This story is about a student who was from a very poor family. He also had to work hard on his own for his food. That student was very poor, but he was also very self-respecting. He used to pay for his school fee and books with his hard work. Even if he would have to sleep without eating something for a night, he would always collect money to pay his school fee while doing any work. He was also good in studies. Seeing his honesty and hard work, some of the students would hate him. Once they thought him to be blamed of theft. They complained against him to the principal that he stole money of other students and paid the school fee and bought books. They asked principal to punish that student, and the principal told them that he would investigate that matter, and if found guilty he would also be punished. The principal investigated about the student and he got to know that the boy would do irrigation work at Mali's in his spare time after school, and whatever money he got he would pay his school fee and bought books. Next day the principal called that boy before all the students and asked him that if you had that much problem, then why didn't you ask for fee concession? The boy replied, if I can help myself, so why should I consider myself helpless and ask for free studies? All the parents of other students pay the fees by working hard, so I also pay my fees by working hard. What is wrong in it? By the way, you taught us that work is worship. Having heard the student's statement, the principal felt proud. The other students felt ashamed. That student was none other than the great writer Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay ji. That student grew up to be known as Sadanand Chattopadhyay. He was given the position of Director of Education, Organization of Bengal. We learn from a great lesson from this story, that we should believe in our action. To get success and grow in life, we should work hard instead of depending on others. Hard working or honest person always touches the height of highs. We should all take the lesson of being self-respecting from Shri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. If we are capable to achieve something in our own, then why to ask other people to do our work for us? Self-respect makes us self-reliant, which means we won't have to go to others if we want something done. Moreover, every goal can be achieved. You just should be hardworking enough. Thank you.